Hello everyone, my name is Kashish Rajpoot. I stay in class 7. Today I am draw a Kangna Ranaut sketch. So let's start our video. Here I am take soft charcoal pencil for draw and shading. In both work I am use charcoal pencil. Let's do it. Again in face, I am using a soft charcoal pencil, so follow me to understand this. In her sari border, I am using 8B shading pencil. Now I am using 6B pencil for giving a shading in her sari border. So her face is completed. Now we do shading in her earring by the help of silver shading pencil. Have you want to see my more best videos? So there is one more my YouTube channel Drawing with Kashish Rajpoot. So please subscribe it. I hope you all like Kangna Ranaut. So please do like, share and comment also.